Hello, my name is Mauricio Armando Gutierrez Castaño. I am a student at university and belong to the A2 English course of the group 1852. In this activity, I am going to describe the imagine of a park where several people carry out activities. I will use sentence in the simple present and present progressive. Well, all right. Well, this the imagine I will use for the activity. An imagine of a park on a sunny day where we can see the following. The sentence are there are people in the park. There are children playing in the park. In this, there are grandfathers enjoying the park. There is river in the park, which about this. Where are people walking? There's dogs in the park. Yeah. There is a meditations are where people are meditating in this zone. There are cyclists riding the bikes in the park. And here people carry reading books in the park. Children are lounging in the playing with their toys. And here people are walking lazily towards in the park. And here some individuals are carrying meditations. Cyclists are pedaling along the park's paths. And the paths has some unread books on the park. People are walking in the park. Children are fleeing kids in the park. And the kids right, this is my activity. Bye bye.